Jay's having a look at the big waterfall. We're at claim. I say we're at our claim. So yeah, we're just walking out, having a bit of a play, see what's here, and yeah, not the best of days. It's a bit rainy, a bit wet, but yeah, very cool. So we're just going to go up and have a look, see what we can find. Be back soon. There's the sluice all set up. Chucked about, I don't know, 20 pails, maybe 15 pails. Seems to be running pretty good. Can't really see too much in it. A lot of light stuff, a lot of fines. Get over there. In the middle of the screen. Yeah. Little bits just in behind this V here, the V just there. Everything else seems to be working pretty well in there. You can see the V line there, sort of up there and down there. See all the heavies. Yeah, seems to be running alright. You can see all the V's, one there, one backwards there, one there right at the end. This is our hole. Jade working hard. Dug in behind this big rock here. It's right on the corner, on a corner. So we'll see how we go. Trying to get down through the layers. But we'll see how we go. Alright. Be back soon. Jade's just going to do a prospect up there. He's just going to have a bit of a pan, see what's up behind those rocks. This is our hole that we've dug, right in behind a big rock. And it's about, I don't know, probably a metre down. You know, from way up here. And that's above my boots. So, yeah, it's about a metre deep. So, hopefully there's something in there. Can't really see it, but yeah, you never know. Go to give another little bit, and then we'll call it a day, I think, and we're going to go and have a look down the thing further. So we'll see what's in here, and yeah, might save this up for next time maybe, and see how we go. Anyway, all good. All right, I'll keep you updated when we clean out, see how much we got. We're all finished, cleaned up. So that's our hole. Don't know if you see it, but that goes down quite deep. So it goes right down inside there. So we're all cleaned up. And this is what we got. Not enough. By any means. So we probably did, what do you reckon, Jade? Probably 30 buckets? 30 10 litre buckets at least. At least. So yeah, whether we come and do it one more time and see if we can get down through that layer, but yeah, it's not looking good. So we're going to have to come when you come next time, Chris, and you can show us what we're doing wrong. But anyway, all good. We'll catch you at home when I dry it out and see how much we actually got. Radio.
Oh, it's not even worth drying out. Fucking give it back.
Right, see, I'm home. So yeah, this is the next day. So I've just basically cleaned it up. What we got, not very much there. So I'm just going to stick it on the scales. Read it. That's everything. Wow. It was pitiful. Man. And today I am so sore. I shifted a bit of dirt, so yeah, that's not very good really. Not having much luck with that creek, so no, we'll persevere and have another crack at some stage. But yeah, no, we'll hope you enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.